Hi, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend. Today we are going to be reading about the Great Wall of China, and there are going to be some questions afterwards, as always. The questions today actually are at the bottom of this. If I can scroll down here. If you're printing this off, it might be easier to do it here and then flip over and put your answers in the Google Doc. There will be a Google Doc with questions, like always. So here they are, but they're the exact same questions that are on the reading. So you have to do them here for them to be graded. I'm just saying it might be easier. If you have access to a printer, it might be easier to print them off, but you can also just open two tabs. That's what I have here. Just open two tabs and you can flip back and forth between the article and the questions. Okay, here we go. The Great Wall of China. Along the northern border of China, a great wall was built during ancient times. It is around 5,500 miles long with over 7,000 lookout towers. The width and height of the wall varies along the wall. It is the longest man-made structure in the entire world. It extends through all types of terrain, even mountains. It has been named as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Purpose. The Great Wall of China was built to try to keep out northern invaders like the Hun and the Mongols. Smaller walls were built over the years, but Qin Shi Huang, China's first emperor, wanted a single giant wall to protect China's northern borders. Lookout towers with soldiers guarded and protected the Chinese empire. Wide moats were dug outside the wall in flat areas to make it harder to get close to the wall. Workforce. The Qin dynasty started the Great Wall, and following dynasties continued to build it. The Ming dynasty later rebuilt the Great Wall. Most of what we know of the Great Wall today was built by the Ming dynasty. Peasants, slaves, criminals, other people were punished by the emperor, built the Great Wall. Soldiers also helped build the wall and manage the workers. Millions of people worked on the Great Wall over a course of 1,000 years. Those who built the wall were not treated well. Some scientists believe up to 1 million people died while building the wall. They were killed by giant falling stones, exhaustion, disease, animal attacks, and starvation. Materials. The Great Wall of China was built with whatever resources were available: stone, earth, sticks, and bricks. Earlier walls were built with compacted dirt and surrounded by stone. The Ming Wall was built with bricks. Barracks, stables, and armories were built near the inner surface of the wall. The wheelbarrow, a Chinese invention, made building the Great Wall easier. Attacks. Signal towers were built on hilltops and other high points along the wall for visibility. Smoke signals were used to indicate an attack along the Great Wall. The more smoke signals, the more enemies were attacking. The Great Wall did not actually work that well as a defensive barrier. There were many open areas and parts where the wall kept decaying. Seen from space, there has been rumors about astronauts being able to see the Great Wall of China from the moon, but these are not scientifically proven. However, the Great Wall has appeared in radar images taken from space. Today, the Great Wall of China draws millions of tourists to China each year. Parts of the Great Wall are in good condition and well maintained, while others are falling into disrepair. Erosion from sandstorms and structural damage from flooding have caused some parts of the wall to crumble. Tourists sometimes mistreat the wall too, such as trying to pry off a piece to take home as a souvenir. Over the years, roads have been cut through the wall. The Chinese government continually attempts to keep the Great Wall from further damage, but it is quite a job due to its vast distance. Okay, so we're going to flip over to the questions. So these are the same questions that appear at the bottom of the article. As I said, obviously you're going to do your name, your core, as we've been doing. So we're going to start with the matching section. With these questions, the items that you can choose from here, these items are the same for every single question. I'll still read them, but just so you know, they're the same and they're in the same order. Okay, so question 1. The Great Wall cannot actually be seen from here. Is the answer smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? Question 2. The dynasty who started building the Great Wall was who? Smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? The Chinese invention that helped build the Great Wall? Smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? The dynasty who rebuilt much of the Great Wall? Smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? The Ming dynasty built the Great Wall with these: smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongol, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? Signals used to indicate an attack: smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? The group who attempted to invade the Chinese: smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? Last one. Over 1 million visit the Great Wall each year. Is that smoke, Ming, space, tourists, Mongols, wheelbarrow, chin, or brick? Next section. This is multiple choice. Which of the following is not an accurate statement about the Great Wall of China? It has been named as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It is easily seen from the moon, according to NASA. It is over 5,000 miles in length. It is built to keep out foreign invaders. Which of the following is not an accurate statement? Next one. Which of the following is a true statement about the building of the Great Wall? It was only built by captured slaves. It was originally built with bricks. Many people were killed while building the Great Wall. The wall was only built during the Qing dynasty. Which of the following is true? Next one. With which statement would the author mostly agree? The Great Wall of China should not be a wonder of the world since it is crumbling. The Great Wall of China was effective at keeping enemies out of China. The Great Wall of China is an amazing engineering feat from ancient China. The Great Wall of China can easily be seen from outer space. Which of those would the author most likely agree with? And the last one. What was the author's purpose in writing this passage? To entertain the reader with an interesting story about the Great Wall? To explain how the Great Wall of China was built? To persuade the reader to go visit the Great Wall of China? To inform the reader with facts about the Great Wall of China? Remember, since this is a video, you can go back and listen to any part that you need. Again, you can rewind, fast forward, and listen to anything that you need. Thanks, guys.